are Picasso portraits, the ones we made from cardboard. I want these to be bright and fun, but I also want to practice value contrast within shape. So I'm going to start out by showing you a finished one here. We have some patterns. You can see some textures, patterns in here. But on top of that, I also have value contrast. And kids get confused by what value contrast means. It really just means shading from dark to light. So value is dark or light, and contrast is a difference between those two things. So you can see I went from orange to light orange, from yellow to light yellow. Even in this tiny little cheekbone area, you can see the little strip of light area in there. I have dark green, clear over to light green. So all of those things is what we're going to be working towards. And each one of these pieces will be something different. So I'm going to start out, I'll just start with turquoise down here. And the easiest way to do this is just kind of keep your paint wet while you're working. And then do it while it's wet, go ahead and add some of that to it. And you don't even necessarily have to wash your paintbrush out or anything. Just add this white over here. And see how easily that just blends. Okay, so same thing on this side. I can add some white if I want to do it over here by the shoulders and just keep blending it like that. It's okay to see those lines in there. I kind of like it. This is called dry cleaning your brush. I did not bring any water over. If you want to have a little container of water and rinse out your brush each time, that's fine too. Okay, so I brought over a few different brushes so that I could do this. I'm going to give him kind of a hot pink tie, I think. I don't very often get out the really, really fluorescent colors, but I think for this project it works pretty well. So I'm going to add that in there. Again, if I want to add some white, to show value contrast from dark to light. Do the same thing down here. Oops, I got some blue in there. That's okay. It'll make kind of a purple. And maybe on this one, I want to add just a little bit of black down here and go from dark to light there. Okay. So each step, same kind of thing. If I want to make his face yellow, if I did another one, this yellow doesn't cover very good. If you add a little white in there, it actually covers a lot better. So I add just a little bit of white in there, and then I can add more white wherever I want the lighter areas to be. So anyway, this is what we're going to be doing. Every single shape is going to have some value contrast. It'll take a little time to get this finished, but that's okay. His lips, I don't know if you remember, but I tried to do a side view of lips as well as a regular view of lips. I'm going to make his, I didn't have any red over here, so I guess I'm going to have to go back to pink on his lips. But I think to kind of show that these lips are sideways, I'm going to take a little bit of this black and put a line here. And then I can let that blend. Oops, that didn't work out so well. Beauty of that is if it didn't work out so well, it's wet. I can take it back off. Okay, hopefully those look like sideways lips, and then I could do the regular lips in the background. Be nice if I had some red over here. So anyway, oops, and I just got, this is going to be probably the toughest part, is to keep it neat. I just got pink on my yellow. After I let that dry, I could go back in with it over, or back in and put yellow over the top of it and hopefully cover it up. You will be doing your background. Just work step by step by step. Each shape will have its own little bit of detail. I need to get this neck done in there too. And remember that our final piece looks something like this with all those details. So painting should take a little while on this to make it look as good as this, but you can do it.